In this video, I will show you how to manage the Shopify store legal pages. If you run an online store, it is badly necessary to add a few legal pages like refund policy, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and shipping policy. These policy pages will be linked in the footer of your checkout pages. You can also add these legal pages to your header or footer menu. To add legal pages, go to Shopify Store Dashboard, Setting and Legal. You can see the fields to add content for your legal pages. You can add your own legal content or text. Also, you can use Shopify template. By clicking Create a Template. Templates are available for English only. You can add it in your own language. I want to show you an example. In our website hasthemes.com, you can see that we add our legal pages in the footer. In the terms and condition page, you can write the terms and conditions to use your website. Like we mentioned, if a visitor is under 13, he should not visit our website. In the privacy policy page, we write why and which data we collect, cookies policy, and the customer rights over their data. In the refund policy page, we write when and why a customer will get a refund and for which cases we cannot give any refund. You can get ideas from our website or from Shopify template. Edit and add your own content and press save. If you need any more assistance regarding Shopify store, contact us at hasthemes.com. Thank you.